War is changing. Today, machines fight alongside humans, or even without them. From flying drones to ground robots and AI-guided weapons, the future of warfare is robotic. Let's look at the most common types of military robots. Drones used for spying, ground robots for tasks and loitering munitions. Naval robots are used for detecting mines and patrolling waters. They play crucial roles at sea. Robotic support tools help soldiers carry heavy loads, enhancing their abilities on the battlefield. Drones provide better surveillance and real-time video, helping armies avoid ambushes. Robots can strike with precision, minimizing damage to surrounding areas. This accuracy changes warfare. Fewer risks to human life are crucial. Robots handle bomb disposal and reconnaissance in dangerous areas. Moreover, psychological pressure is immense, as soldiers know drones can always see them.